Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This is Sarah Shazad. Welcome to Global Digital Summit 2021. A very warm welcome to all the participants and viewers. Thank you so much for taking out your time to be with us at Global Digital Summit 2021. Now we move to Mr. Wasim Irshad. Please unmute yourself.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you so much, Lara. It's Wasim Irshad. It's really happy to be here as part of this summit. Basically, I'm CEO of Wow Health Solutions. We initially launched our services in USA back in 2017, where we were offering end-to-end complete healthcare services to our patients. And now recently we have launched Wow Health Solutions in Pakistan, where we are bringing four unique kind of services in this industry. One of them is consultation with US doctors, and for second opinion, you can consult with US doctors of your choice any time, and then you can choose your own family doctor out of US doctors and have your permanent consultations with them. Secondly, these days this depression in the young generation, anxiety, and your work area stress, these are increasing a lot. So we are bringing a service for anonymous, psychologist and therapy services for such kind of people. And we are bringing another service that is Fori doctor service for, the gig workers and blue collar fellows, so that they can have equally good kind of, healthcare services, but in very lower rate. So that's about me. I hope that in today's discussion, it is going to be very fruitful and interesting discussion, because topic is very, different, and the topic where, all CEOs and these all people from startup, they really want to talk about it. So looking forward. Thank you.
What are the developments in health sector?
Thank you, Ji. Actually, first of all, I will just like to, compile what Ms. Nomina said and what Hussain Saab added to it. When we talk about ecosystem, तो ecosystem को देखने के लिए थोड़ा सा इस तरह से देखें कि this is not time to work in silos. ठीक है जी, आपके basically, you already have enterprises, आपके years and years old enterprises मार्केट में चल रहे हैं. आप सियालकोट को देखें, आप फैसलाबाद को देखें, आप गुजरावाला को देखें, ट्रेडिशनल तरीके से बिजनेस हो रहा है. Now, if you connect these, your enterprises with the tech industry, using these all startups, then you actually you are creating that acceleration in to run this whole ecosystem cycle. So if I talk about specifically about healthcare and generally about digital ecosystem in healthcare, there are four fundamentals. We are a population of 220 million people, and then we have got around our 67% population is from rural areas, and all of our tech density or startup density is right now in the 15 major cities of Pakistan. अब इन 15 मेजर सिटीज के अंदर अगर आप बात करें तो दैट मींस कि we all are focusing on these 37% of the population. And why we are focusing that, it's not like we want to focus on them, rather there are four fundamental pillars जो कि जिनकी penetration इतनी अच्छी नहीं है when you talk about rural areas. Connectivity की अगर आप बात करें, the first pillar, we are good in that. हम लोगों की मोबाइल पेनिट्रेशन अच्छी है, हम लोगों के पास जो हमारी रूरल पॉपुलेशन है, they are using smartphones की पेनिट्रेशन भी अच्छी है, mobile rates are not very high, internet connectivity is good. But when you talk about digital payments, the second pillar of it, digital payment is not very widely acceptable in our, specifically if you talk about cities other than these 15 Pakistan. The reason is that most of the population is not using bank accounts, or micro insurance, micro tech fintech companies, इनकी penetration अभी इतनी high नहीं है, though कि they are contributing in this domain. But जितना लोगों का जितना आपका connectivity, जितना आपकी जो monetization है, उसको जितना digitize करेंगे आप, उतना easy है लोगों के लिए avail करना हमारी services. When I talk about Wow Health Solutions, हमारे लिए we are trying to tap this challenge that this healthcare should reach to the rural areas. वो लोग जिनके पास रात के 12 बजे डॉक्टर मौजूद नहीं है गांव में, right? And they have to run to cities for the smallest problem. They should have a facility that they pick up the phone and get connected to doctor.
True.
एक और इसका बहुत important pillar है जी, that is digital literacy and security. Digital literacy comes when you spread this awareness, and we all startups as a community, we all have responsibility to spread this awareness among our population that things can happen digitally, right? The more adoption we have got, the more acceptance in the population we have got, the more easier the growth of this ecosystem can be multiplied, and we can see it more, faster growth in it. So these are things. One last element which I would like to add,
Sure.
that is security element. People do not believe कि यार डॉक्टर असली होगा कि नकली होगा, क्या ये सही डॉक्टर है, मेरे पैसे कहीं, मेरा कार्ड हैक तो नहीं हो जाएगा, ये मेरे वॉलेट से पैसे निकाल तो नहीं लेंगे। ये जो आपके जो कंसर्न्स होते हैं, अगर हम सब मिलके इनको फिक्स कर सकें, तो आई थिंक हमारा इकोसिस्टम व्हिच ऑलरेडी हैज गॉट वेरी स्ट्रांग फाउंडेशन कैन ग्रो क्वाइट फास्ट।
According to your industry, for what steps you think that needs to be taken to scale the ecosystem?
Sarah, thank you. Actually, अगर आप आजकल देखें हमारी जो स्टार्टअप इंडस्ट्री है, तो स्टार्टअप्स आर ग्रोइंग लाइक मशरूम्स, राइट? इट इज एग्जैक्टली लाइक हम लोग शुरू में वी सीड सम फॉर्म, और कुछ टाइम के बाद वी स्टार्ट सीइंग स्मॉल फ्रेश प्लांट्स ग्रोइंग, ठीक है? एक तो उसका बहुत फैक्टर ये होता है कि जब इस तरह से प्लांट्स ग्रो कर रहे होते हैं ना, तो उस वक्त एक बड़ी इंटरनल खुशी होती है आपको दैट यू हैव एक्चुअली सीडेड समथिंग, और अब इट हैज बीन ट्रांसफॉर्म टू अ लाइफ, ठीक है जी? तो ये इसकी एक अपनी खुशी होती है। लेकिन इसको जो ये नए पौधे, जो नए मशरूम्स निकल रहे होते हैं, इनको प्रॉपर नर्चर करना बड़ा जरूरी होता है, बिकॉज इफ यू वोंट नर्चर देम, अगर आप टाइम पे पानी नहीं देंगे, अगर आप टाइम पे उनकी प्रॉपर ग्रोथ नहीं करेंगे, अगर आप उनको सर्दी गर्मी से नहीं बचाएंगे, तो हाफ ऑफ देम विल डाई even they reach to their age, right? So the next very important step is that all these growing mushrooms, they should be protected, and they should be taken care of as our common responsibility, so that most of them reach to the age where they can be fruitful to the country and to the whole system. एंड यहाँ पे एक चीज और जो देखने की जरूरत है, वो ये है कि आप देखें कि जंगल में जो पौधे उगते हैं, वो इतने वल्नरेबल नहीं होते टू डाई, रादर जो स्टैंड अलोन होते हैं। उसकी रीजन है कि जंगल इज अ प्लेस फ्रॉम वेयर प्लांट्स आर ग्रोइंग, ठीक है जी, बिकॉज दे आर टुगेदर। So next very important step which needs to be taken and which needs to be told to all of our peers is the partnership. Partnership is something very important. Somebody is having riders, कोई बंदा जो है वो बर्गर्स बना रहा है, तो why not to couple burgers with the riders, ठीक है? हम लोग हेल्थ केयर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं, तो किसी बंदे की लैब्स हैं, why not to couple them together. इसी तरह से जो आपकी जो बेसिकली आपके जो ट्रेडिशनल बिजनेसेस हैं और जो आपके जो स्टार्टअप्स हैं, when they start having confidence and they start उस fear factor से बाहर निकल आते हैं, ठीक है? And when they start getting confidence, they start to collaborate. जब ये collaborate करते हैं ना, तो उसमें आपकी जो ग्रोथ फैक्टर है इकोसिस्टम का, दैट मल्टीप्लाइज, उसका फिर दैट मल्टीप्लाइज, और वो किसी एक चीज पे डिपेंड नहीं कर रहा होता। इसलिए फॉर एग्जांपल अगर आप 5 पिलर में से अगर एक पिलर आपका गिर भी जाए ना, तो 4 पिलर्स कैन सपोर्ट दैट होल रूफ, राइट? इट्स दैट काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन। और ये जो पार्टनरशिप है, थोड़ी सी बात एक ऐड करना चाहूंगा, छोटी सी, माय लास्ट वर्ड, दैट इज के वाओ हेल्थ एक्चुअली has this one good thing, that in US also we have got partnership network, a huge and strong partnership network. In Pakistan, we are here to to grow our network in a way that we all people in this health ecosystem grow together. So I think that's one of the very important thing which I would like to add it.